Hello, and thank you for reviewing this with me. I'm in the course now that you have access to and you're looking at. I'm going to select an assessment right here. My students have taken this assessment. Now, here's the test. I'm going to try to edit it. It's going to tell me to edit in bank, and that's fine. I click on the bank, I edit a copy of this question, and I go to alignments. You see the item is aligned. I can click on this. It's right here. Now, here's where the problem comes in. When I click on this plus sign, notice what it says here, Bradford Area School District Biology Keystone Anchors. Please keep that in mind. I'm going to show you where I think the problem is here. So I'm going to hit cancel. I'm going to close this. I'm going to return. Now I'm going to go to outcomes. In this course, I have built in the outcomes, but look where the outcomes are. This is different than what you saw a moment ago, although this isn't. So if I select this, and then I pick A1, which the item I just showed you is in A1, and then I come up here and I hit alignments. Oops, I got to hit A1 here. I got ahead of myself. But it doesn't matter. Over here you see there's nothing aligned in the entire course. Well, every one of those test questions is aligned, but I don't think it's aligned to these outcomes right here. Instead, I have admin privileges. If I come up here to admin and I go to Bradford Area School District and I go to outcomes here, I think it's aligned here. But I don't have an alignment option here, and I don't have any reporting capability from here. So when I pulled in the when I pulled in the outcomes for this course, I came up here to find, and I pulled them in this way. And then after going to find, I went to account standards, Bradford Area School District, and here are the biology keystone items, and I pulled them into the course. Then I aligned the test questions to the items in this course, right here. At least I thought I did. I thought by doing it that way they would be aligned. Now, the problem is, if I go back to item banks, and I have to go to all banks, and I have to go to, here's the bank. I can pick any of these items, I can edit a copy, and they're aligned. And even though it's in this course, these alignments, whoops, I should have clicked the plus sign. These alignments seem to be aligned to the school district, not to the course, yet the course is the only place I have reporting capabilities, and that's what I suspect is the reason why they're not aligning in reporting in the course. But you're going to say, well, yeah, they're not aligned. But watch this. I go to grades. I have set the gradebook to the Learning Mastery gradebook, as you can see right here. I've enabled that in the features. I believe it's called features under settings. And it populates with data. That data wouldn't be there unless there were items aligned. 2, look up here. See my outcomes? The ones you just looked at. This is the one outcome that you've seen multiple times. And look, the data's there. Now, you might say, well, then what's the problem? Well, the problem is this. The data that I'm looking at, I need to confirm which items are contributing to that data. Because as I set this up, as I was learning how to use it, I'm not sure that all the items are the items that I want. In other words, questions that this department, the science department, have set aside. So to make that confirmation, I need to be able to come to outcomes, I need to be able to come to alignments, and I need to be able to pick one of these items, and I need to see what questions are aligned to it, or assignments. And obviously I can't. That's what I need your help with. And I hope this video helps, and I'm looking forward to your response.